If you find yourself locked out of your YouTube account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Go to the YouTube sign-in page. Visit the YouTube website and click on the sign-in button. This will take you to the login page where you can begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, enter your email address associated with your YouTube account. If you can't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Enter the verification code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it in the designated field on the YouTube recovery page. This step confirms that you are the rightful owner of the account. Step 5. Create a new password. After verifying your identity, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it by entering it again. Once done, you will be able to log in with your new credentials. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your YouTube account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to YouTube support for further assistance.